Did you know you can code Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms? Whenever you've wondered, like, why doesn't Google do this? Well, it can if you code it yourself. And the good news is it's so easy. It's actually basically just multiple choice. So in this workshop, we're going to give you an introduction. We're going to show you that you can do this. You're going to be successful coding and give you those first steps to help you want to go further to knowing how to code. Let me show you something that I've coded. It's called Roster Tab. And so what it is, I've got a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now this is a template. So what I have is the Google Sheets already set up, and then I've coded or basically stapled the code on the back end. So I'm going to show that too, but let me first show you how it works. Well, you'll notice it has a menu called Roster Tab. I coded that. And so just a couple of lines of code allows you to add an extra menu to Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, etc. So I have this menu. So before I run the menu, I'm going to put a list of names. So once I have my roster of students, I'm going to come up to this menu that I coded and I run Roster Tab. Now what you're going to need to do is authorize the script. And it's going to start running that code that I did. So look along the bottom here and you'll notice that it's creating a tab for every student on my roster list. So let's go ahead and look at that code. I'm going to go to the Tools menu, Script Editor. This is where we code Google Apps Script. Don't let this freak you out. It's just a little bit of code, and actually I have it in little chunks. So this first chunk is just going to make the menu. So let's look at how easy that is. So let's look, it is from lines 3 to line 12, so 9 lines of code, and it says on open, get the spreadsheet, and create a menu. So you notice just this little bit of code is what allows us to create this menu right here. And you're going to learn how to make that menu in this workshop. And so code's not scary. You can do this. And now you're going to be able to claim that you're a coder.